In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete a learner's portfolio and sign off the units. There's going to be 3 stages to this. The first one is from the assessor point of view, then the IQA's point of view, and finally, in this test centre, from the administrator's point of view. So I'm going to log in as the assessor. And for my final piece of evidence I've uploaded, I'm going to assess. So I'll go to my learner's portfolio. I click on evidence. Well, I can see here actually there's just one unit that needs another 3% of evidence, and it's showing the whole qual is at 99%, hence that being at 97. So I know that's unit 358 version 3. I'll just go to my evidence. There's the one that can be assessed because these are finished. I'll click assess, and having looked at the gap analysis report for this learner, I can actually see that they've already covered off everything in this unit apart from the first section. So I know I only need, it's section 1 that just needs to be the evidence assessed against. So for the purpose of this test, I'm just going to click that it's fully been covered, click assign. Yes, I understand that. And then I'll write in my assessment decision. Click assess. Yes, I understand that. Click OK. And now it says you can't upload any more evidence as it's been completed. And it's asking me to sign off the qualification. So I click that, and I can also go into the units where there may be an endorsement. This one tells me that's just awaiting candidate sign off. Same there. And there, 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 and there. If there was an endorsement as part of this qualification, it would have said, before I could sign it off, there, select endorsement. I would click on that and it would show you the units that require endorsements. So that would have been there, and then I'd have been prompted to click sign off the unit. So now this is just awaiting, as it says on each of the orange tabs, the candidate to sign off. And I'll go through that process in the next video. Thank you.